and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4. Discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hey there, what we are about to show you will leave you speechless. In 2024, social platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat will begin using generative AI to show audiences the best content and sell products. And we will show you how we have been exploiting this new technology to make hundreds of dollars every single day. All these mentioned social platforms are harnessing the power of generative AI to create, connect, and collaborate like never before. That's how powerful it is. But you know what's crazy? We found a way to take advantage of this generative AI to create addictive AI images and videos regularly and make them viral, resulting in driving thousands of targeted followers every single day to your new social media account. Take a look at this case study. We got more than 56,936 followers, generated 1,545 clicks, and made $2,232 in pure profit after using this generative AI. And that's not a fluke. We drive followers and turn them into recurring customers on autopilot. Not just that, we don't even post anything manually. All that we do is use Fab AI to exploit generative AI to make any post we want viral. We get tens of thousands of likes on any post we want with Fab AI. Pretty cool, huh? But it gets better. We also use Fab AI to turn all those followers into recurring customers. Yep, I told you it gets better without doing anything manually. Fab AI allows us to take those followers and charge them $17 every month. All of that takes less than 30 seconds. That's it. We just do 30 seconds of work a day, and then Fab AI does all the work for us on complete autopilot. The best part is with Fab AI, you don't need to pay a penny to get started. This is the crazy part. All you need is Fab AI, and that's it. You don't need to buy any other service, and you don't need to hire any outside help like graphic designers, content creators, social media marketers, or ad experts to make content go viral. Fab AI does everything for you in seconds. With Fab AI, no need to post your pictures, no need to write captions, no need to even post anything, no need to pay for ads. All of that makes you get started with Fab AI in less than 30 seconds. You can use Fab AI from anywhere in the world, whether it's your bedroom or from the beach. You can set up your campaigns from your laptop, PC, mobile, or even your iPad. And remember, each campaign takes less than 30 seconds. Take a look at this while I'm recording this video for you. I made $272.35 in commissions. That's just money I made in the past 20 minutes or so while recording this message for you. Fab AI gives me the freedom to do whatever I want in life and still make money. It works for anyone: affiliate marketers, product owners, coaches, service providers, e-com, store owners, and more. Introducing Fab AI, world's first TikTok, Instagram and Snapchat's generative AI app drives laser-targeted followers to any account, in any niche, in just 30 seconds. With Fab AI, you don't need any previous experience and you don't need to do any technical setup. I'm sure by now you're wondering, how much is this gonna cost me? If we decided to charge you the fair price for Fab AI, it'll be at least $997 per month. And even at this price, it's still a no-brainer. Each account you create has the potential to attract dozens of paying customers each day, generating a steady stream of income for your business in just few minutes. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to leverage generative AI and boost your profits. But here's the thing, $997 a month is a big commitment, especially for someone who is just getting started. We have sweetened the deal more for you for a limited time. As an early bird discount, we're offering lifetime full access to Fab AI for a dirt cheap price. But this won't be available for everyone forever. We will be closing our doors once the capacity of our servers reaches its maximum. In the unlikely event that you don't make money using Fab AI, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. But we're confident that won't be necessary. Click the button below to get instant access to Fab AI along with a bundle of exclusive bonuses. Join us inside and let's get started.